So when you're setting that work shift, then you've got to zero return it first, haven't you? Before you switch it on. Yeah. So you zero return it. And obviously then your zero return lights will come on there. X and Z. Yeah. Flick the switch over. And we're going to come into the front of that chuck. And as I say, what I'd do is bring it up to the front of the chuck and then wind it away as you're rotating the chuck, and then that way you can't hit anything. You know that as you come in.
Do what way, sorry?
Yeah, just bring it in. If you just move the chuck around so it's it don't matter if you're here disengage it. Yeah. Then if you bring the bar in a bit more in X. Yeah. And then no, bring it in Z so it's past the jaw. See what I mean? Yeah. Then bring the jaw round, other way, that way. That's it. And then just gradually move the jaw away in your hand wheel or your jog, but usually you do it with hand wheel in the Z, and just keep moving it till the chuck spins. That's it. And then you just that way you're not actually crunching into anything. Yeah, you've gone way past it now. You can't see, can you?
No, I can't. No.
Anyway, when you get there, then you're then going to press that white button, and it's already jumped to the shift screen. Yeah. Okay, you carry on doing that then. Obviously, you don't have to be absolutely bang on. It's only a set of jaws, but yeah. And then you're going to press that white button, and that's changed that to 611. So there, and then you switch that off again.
Yeah.
Yeah.